Do you need any help doing this, Shane?
No, I said I'm going to do it by myself. I'm a big boy. I can do it by myself.
Hear that? Watch it pull his back out.
Don't hurt yourself, Shane.
I reckon I'm going to snap that.
I reckon I'm going to get through here. I already do it too.
I reckon I'd go that side.
On the roof at work?
Leanne?
You could have died.
Shane, if I reckon I weigh less than this thing.
Okay.
So if I'm breaking through this now, I just did you a favour.
Yeah, okay. Well, I was thinking that we'll give them a bit of a clean up or something.
Yeah, right.
And maybe hang them.
Oh, cute.
And maybe move this one.
This keeps going, Shane. I know, we're on. I reckon we should probably move that one too that's up there.
Yeah, probably.
That pot plant. Because that looks like it's going to fall on someone's head when it's windy.
I was thinking that we move this one.
That's a pretty one. To where?
Right underneath this.
Because it gets all the rain.
Yeah, the only problem with that is it's going to move dirt everywhere.
Yeah, it will. We need to get a nice big plant for this one. That would have to be a very big plant.
But at least we get some start doing some greenery out here and see what that looks like.
Oof.
Oh, God, no. Yeah. Absolutely not.
I think that's why this lives here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll move it.
So once you get the plant on that, what's going to happen?
Slide. Oh, right, okay. That would be a bit of a situation.
Oh, that's a situation, all right. That's going to change things, I think.
Hey, do you want to do me a favour?
Yeah.
No, I want to do it by myself, aren't I?
Yeah, you're doing it all by yourself. Thinking. Why don't you just ask for help, Shane? It's not a bad thing to ask for help.
Still on something.
There's a kind. Do you want me to move a brick underneath?
That's right. I'm almost decided to bump myself.
With the rake. How heavy do you reckon that is?
Hey?
How many kilos?
Heavy enough.
Lucky you're tough. I reckon 100 kilos.
A bit more than 100.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
150?
Hey?
150?
150, bro.
It smells like plants out here.
Heavy. Have a thing.
Do you want me to push it?
No. By myself.
Oh my God, Shane. Do
No,
not.
it's like I am pushing it.
Do not drop that on me.
Huh?
Nothing.
Sorry, plants. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm sorry.
I can't hear you.
How's that? I go right back in history to get a right way to do it when I get over my indoor plumbing. Oh yeah, that'll probably look pretty good there.
That's what I think. And with the lighting above it, it'll look pretty. And we can take these plant leaves that are broken off and grow them.
Propagate.
Yeah, propagate. You did a good job.
I haven't finished yet.
Do you want me to make sure that doesn't fall off and break? Sure. Here to help. So, we need the bricks now.
Not just yet.
Oh, pal. That's gonna... Okay. Why don't you explain what's happening?
Well, I didn't want to put it on the bricks because it'd be too unsteady. So I chopped it.
Let me see. I can't see. Don't chop the dinosaur, Daddy. Chop it. Now I want snakes and lollies. Do you need any help?
No.
No. Of course not.
I'll do it by myself.
I'm really proud of you.
That's...
It's okay. This is a whole episode. Me just filming Shane, I reckon. Doing this.
Just moving that around.
You know, if you got someone to help you, you could have someone help lower it down gently. Sometimes it's better to get some help than... Okay, just go for it. Oh, my tummy hurts. I haven't peed all day. Sorry. Delete that, please, guys. Sure.
I thought there was soil in under
I thought it was soil too.
Right.
It's just leaves.
It's just leaves.
It smells like leaves too, doesn't it?
Pretty cool, though. Anyway, I'm going to put a wattle in this.
A wattle. You're obsessed with wattle at the moment.
Nah, for the birds.
And for Australia.
Yeah, kind of. Depends on which part of Australia you're talking about. Yeah.
Any fun things in there yet?
Yeah, that was spider on me.
It's not fun.
That looks pretty though now. This looks way better now. It's getting wheat. Like that's much better.
Well, I had a thought.
Yeah. A thought.
Yeah.
What was your thought?
Here's my thought. Have a listen.
I'm listening. Just like Frasier, Shane. I'm listening.
So, I'll sand that back. Stain it so it doesn't look like that stands out.
You can't, if you don't have a microphone on, you're just walking away, putting trash out, I can't hear you. You guys won't like it.
Yes, it's pretty used to it, to be honest.
Yeah.
I'll sand,
Explain to the camera.
I'll sand it back, give it a really nice stain, make it a high gloss, and then it will look okay in front of all the blandness, and I'll be able to live with it then. And then we'll put some nice stuff in it, but all those plants are going out.
Where are they going?
Oh, no, yeah.
No, but that's a really good plant, so we need to put it somewhere good. That's
Well, I kind of half destroyed it.
Yeah, but they grow back. That's the whole point of those type of plants, Shane.
Yeah, but...
There you go.
No, it's not a yucca, no. I know them too well.
Shane loves yuccas, don't you?
That'd be great, Andy. That'd grow everywhere off the walls and wreck all the concrete.
So you got to buy some more. Come back.
Huh?
You need to buy some more pot plants or something for that big, nice one to
Yeah,
go in.
well, I'm having a think.
Can't just throw it out. We're imagining it.
Yeah.
What am I bringing the camera for?
You're doing something.
Oh, because you're doing something. What happened here?
What do you mean?
I'm not going to clean this.
We had to work really hard to clean it all out.
Thank you, Jacob.
What about up top here?
Oh, did you want me to do that?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, okay.
Just trasky.
Why are you such a little bee today?
We're sanding.
Sanding what?
Like, look, we did all the jobs with the spiders,
Yeah, we dealt with spiders today.
so you could be in there, the toilet up.
What's happening, Jacob?
In a way, restoring it, I guess.
What is it?
A planter box. Sanding it back and re-varnishing it. Then we're going to plant.
Oh, look, it counter something.
Yeah. I had someone come to me at last chance to tell me that I taught them how to sink a screw. And I was like, what do you mean? They're like, taught me how to sink a screw. I'm like, I don't know what you're talking about.
Like
And they
anything
said
else,
Better Totes and Gardens. They're like, oh, that makes sense.
anything else they've learnt, they didn't learn it well.
Yeah.
They learned it here.
Yeah.
All right, is that it? Shane's rolling a dart. Jacob's painting 2 red.
I'm just going to say, there's this other one here.
Yeah.
Leanne, should we take those plants out, empty the soil out, cut it in half, maybe make 2 smaller ones?
I don't know how this is going to hold up, bruh.
It's pretty
Like it's
the whole venue's pretty The whole venue's pretty
like this. Look at your face. I can see what you're thinking. He's thinking it's a really good job.
No, I'm not even thinking about it.
I know.
I was thinking about this one, because it's all up and damaged underneath.
I feel like if we do something to it, it's going to cook it,
I
bruh.
reckon that we just get it out. What were we doing yesterday, Lee? Like, just like, when we just before Gaz cut to this f***ing part? We're in the garden. Beer garden, Bartertown.
Oh yeah, I touched a spider.
I don't know what was happening. Anyway, quick, before we get back to that part of the episode, we're in at Larsby's making a gravy and a vinaigrette.
Very early in the morning.
Well, this week, I don't know how far behind this is. It's a fair bit. But this week we're doing a roast chicken and thyme
What's that
gravy.
in there?
That's chicken stock. This is the, this is not, we don't do a vegan, we do a different, this is just the meat version. We make 2 versions of this. So be it. You know the worst thing? Even though I'm cooking food, here's the thing. Here's our life summed up. We get 3 meals of shit a day. Sometimes we get 7 or 8. Like, you know, we're working out really hard and we need 7 or 8 meals of shit a day. So people come, they bring us a big load of shit. Only problem is, we've got no appetite. So we're always left with at least 3/4 of the meals of shit uneaten. But you can't leave the table. Can't leave the table until you finish everything on your plate. So then just keep rocking up, put more shit on our fucking plate. We have to keep fucking eating it.
We're not allowed to leave the table, are we?
We're not allowed to leave the table, just keep eating shit. I eat shit, I eat shit, I eat shit. And then I have some fucking asshole tell me that I'm not doing anything. You doing the fucking... I eat a lot of shit.
Who told you you're not doing anything?
Not everyone.
I think you're doing enough.
Thanks. But yeah, I eat shit all the time. Nothing but shit.
You eat
I
shit for
taste
breakfast?
Shit. I eat shit for breakfast. I eat shit before I get out of bed. I literally eat shit at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning when you all think it's a good idea to fucking message me.
Shane's having some feelings today.
I don't have feelings.
Alright, we're back. Day 2 of Shane moving the concrete.
Better.
Do you know Shane? Shane. I've seen the David Attenborough one where it fills up with water and little froggies go and lay their eggs in there and they live in there.
The only frogs coming here.
Ah?
None. Maybe we might get... I doubt the frogs at the band. I don't know if they're still alive. But what'd you find?
Fido Dido?
Yeah.
At 1985.
And how old were you then, Ruby?
I wasn't even a thought in the universe.
I was in primary school.
You're not that f***ing old, are you?
1985? No, I wasn't in primary school yet.
Need time to clean this lens. Sorry, people with the dirty lens. Yeah, go.
My best friend, when we were in grade 2, had a 90 with this on it, and I thought it was the coolest thing ever, and I didn't know what it meant, and I still don't know what it means, but I know it's cool.
We can't fight it either. What was the plan you ended up with wanting to do?
We want jasmine.
No, on Jasmine.
Yeah, because it smells good, but I don't know what the logistics are, but we're going to have it anyway.
There we go.
Yeah.
We've got all our plants
Yeah.
ready to go from Bunnings.
Yeah.
Shout out Bunnings.
They did not want us in there.
We're taking too
were
long.
really annoying.
Well, Shane left us.
Yeah, Shane abandoned us in Bunnings, and this is the result.
We got a
We got a
Ruby Sahara.
Ruby. Yeah. And Chef's choice.
Look at these guys drinking beers.
Yeah, well that's fitting.
That works. Most importantly, we got this.
And yeah, this is the most important piece, but it's not going in the garden because I don't trust you guys. So it's going in a special place that I haven't decided yet.
And we got heaps of, what are these ones called? Jasmine.
Yes, and that is going to go along the fence.
Along the fence line, PBS.
Yeah, the Collingwood Yards fence.
And we also, most importantly, got a marshmallow plant.
Oh yeah, because wait.
This is the reason why we got marshmallow, lady.
Nature's nectar. She is popular and she'll make you happy. Bless her.
We couldn't leave her behind in Bunnings.
No,
we had to get her.
She's popular.
She's a popular gal.
Yeah, she makes people happy. So she couldn't, yeah, she had to come with us.
We got all this soil.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is the situation we've got going on at the moment. It's kind of
I really like it, but Shane and Ruby don't like it.
like,
It's a bit dead.
yeah.
Also, I think this is like the money tree.
Oh, maybe we should keep that.
So we probably should keep.
Yeah.
Although me and Shane have a giant money tree like that, a huge one in our backyard at home, and we got no money. So maybe they don't work.
Yeah.
Comment below why our money tree isn't working, please.
The two jumpers. What are you doing?
I tried smoking before, like Kath and Kim, but then my hands are really gross.
Hello.
We're fighting the patriarchy over here. Hi.
What's
Turn it up. Why are you always trying to bring us down, Shane? I didn't say that. Ruby said that. Although, patriarchy, can you help me for a sec?
Yeah.
Mr. Patriarchy.
I need your strength. I'm a lone island. I don't care. Alright, I'm ready for the plant, Shane.
You want to move some of these blocks for?
Yep.
What are you doing?
Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Kind of. Trust me, Raz. Not there, because there's treasure there.
Bread's here.
Huh? Alright. Perfecto. Kind of lives on its side, that one. Yeah, that's perfect.
Wow.
That's actually really good. I think it wants to be a leaning plant. Let's have a lean against the wall. That's that. Perfect. There's be way better. Like, comment, and subscribe if you ever see someone rip this plant out. It's a reward. Hey, presto.
Hey, look what someone's written on the wall. Oh my god, yeah, I'm sorry.
Right.
Sorry?
Respect the plants, please.
We should make a bigger sign. Of that.
Yeah. We should have like a QR code that just comes to this video.
Yeah.
So, like this.
What? Let me get there.
No, just leave that.
Serious?
Yeah, just leave it. It's great.